Hello friends, now I am introducing the Weekend Wonder Workshop series, simply 3W series. This is a revolutionary model in programming studies. This is the first of its kind according to my knowledge. What is the uniqueness in this? Without having any programming background, just with the 2 days of your working, you will be in a position to write solid C projects on your own, only with the 2 days of working. With that, that is the starting project. It acts like a compatibility, zero based compatibility test. By writing this, you are able to understand many things. The first one is how the programming studies, especially career oriented studies. Number two, how they are different from other subjects. That practically, not by descriptions, you can understand. That only I made it as compatibility test. If you are really happy with that, if you feel that you are compatible with the studies, then you can proceed for the SCET, Software Career Eligibility Test. Then thereafter, one more great benefit, you must know about yourself. You may know many things in the world, but most people do not know about them. What is their capability? What they can do, what they cannot do, why they are not able to do, all that they do not know. But it gives you a unique platform to test yourself. That means what great things you are able to do with the 2 days of your working. That is possible through this. And one more point I have to tell you, I named it as weekend. Weekend means don't just limit to Saturday and Sunday. My implication is 2 clear days. Instead of Saturday and Sunday, if you want to allocate, earmark any other 2 clear days. You should not be occupied with any other job. Mentally, physically, you should devote those 2 days for this project. Then only you study all the relevant concepts. Thereafter, you can develop projects on your own. That too in a formal manner. Actually, most college students, 99% or it may be 100% even, they feel that coding is programming. That is not true. Actually, in a project development process, there are 3 steps before coding. They are understanding problem, that means understanding task, analysis, that is mental thinking, that is devising a logical plan, thereafter developing an algorithm. Algorithm means writing the procedure of implementation in steps in human language. So there are 3 things: understanding problem, analysis and algorithm before coding. The 3 steps together called designing. First designing, thereafter coding. But most students do not know there is some great element which is design. Actually, that is very important. Coding anybody can learn. If you commit any mistake, your system will slap you. Then you remember it. But designing is not like that. Problem to problem, it is different. It is like a master tailor. Suppose if you go to any big tailoring shop, there is one master tailor, he is a designer. Under him, 100 stitching tailors may work. That is like stitching is like coding. Understand? If you want to learn stitching, it is matter of 1 week job. But if you want to become a master tailor by learning real designing, then years long endeavor is required. Then only you can design dresses for all categories of people according to that taste. In programming domain also the same analogy is applicable. If you want to become a designer, lot of experience, a passion towards the programming, common sense, all are the vital ingredients. Those are essential prerequisites. Overnight, nobody can become a designer. So, for that, they have to work hard, they have to deal with a number of domains, then automatically they will become a designer. So, here you will develop projects in a formal manner. What are the realities in a project development process? You can understand on your own. Of course, these are simple projects, no doubt about that. Gradually, we scale up, we go for the advanced projects. So, in order to understand this, first we understand this mapping. What strategy we are adapting? This is the compatibility test. This is totally special. Thereafter, actually, this is non-function oriented program, non-function oriented C program. Actually, a C program is pure function oriented program, then only it is treated as C program. So, this is non-FOP program. However, by performing this, you learn a lot, many things, and you understand the intricacies in developing the projects, what are the ingredients in that, and how to think, how to achieve. All that you learn through this. That's why I made it as zero based compatibility test. But thereafter, you transform the same into FOP, function oriented C program. This is the real C program. That's why you can take it as C1. C1 project you develop. Thereafter, you come to this stream C1, C2, C3, C4, Cn. Different projects we give. Each project takes only 2 days preparation. Then that's why I named it as weekend. And why wonder? Definitely, I need not label it. You feel it. Now you see that this is at 2 is advanced to this, 3 is advanced to this. In that way, you scale up your knowledge by performing the projects like this. This is one advantage. So, while studying C language only, you perform all these projects. Ultimately, you perfectly feel that you are like a programmer, you are like a professional. Your confidence, self confidence levels are crystallized because you are able to drive the car. No difference. Actually, this is like a driving car, not learning do's and don'ts and what are the components in car and all that. You are actually driving the car by developing the projects, that too in a formal manner. And one more thing, results are the driving force in us. Anybody, if they get instant result and their energy is multiplied, and they start enjoying subject, already I told you they get time. Many people very commonly they use one phrase, I don't have time. But if you start enjoying anything, not only programming, you get time. If you want to see your favorite movie, you get time. If you want to see your favorite match, you will have time. If you want to spend your favorite friend, then you get time. Now, for your favorite program also, you get time. Time automatically is available. God has given 24 hours a day. Understand? So, this is the way. Now, what is this mapping? Actually, once you see it there, why C++, Java, and many other languages? Many people get a doubt. Actually, this is not like a human language. Human languages are region oriented. Actually, for Karnataka, Kannada, for Tamil Nadu, uh, Tamil, and Andhra Pradesh, Telugu, like that. It is not that. Here, advancement is there. Here, certain strengths are there and certain weakness also there. If you go to C++, it is one step further to C. Then you can perform this job in a better fashion. And one more thing, what task you cannot perform through C, you can perform through C++ much smarter. That is the advancement. That is not possible by description. You should experience that. If you have to understand the advancement of C++ over C on your own in a pragmatic manner, the same C project you have to take up and transform into C++. Then only you can experience that. Not by any description. Understand? Thereafter, the same C project you transform into core Java project, or simply call it Java project 1. Here transformation. Here I am not telling development. Here one challenge is there. What is the challenge? When you are learning multiple languages at one by one language may disturb you while you are working with the other language. That's why you must strictly maintain compartmentalism in brain. This is C, this is C++, this is core Java. Like that, compartments you have to maintain. How to maintain? Not physically, only by practice. That's why I devised a technique. What is that? Same C project you take, then transform into C++, then transform into core Java. Then automatically in your brain the differentiation techniques are incorporated. Then automatically this compartmentalism is created. This is very much important. So in this way, vertically advanced and horizontally advanced. And one more thing, practically understand evolution of the reason behind the evolution of the languages. And many other benefits are there. Once you are able to develop projects on your own, your confidence levels are totally different. You think differently. You feel like a professional. And one more thing, then every time I am using the phrase, choose your employer of your choice. Because of these skills, that is possible. Because of all these skills, your body language is changed. That's why it is demonstrated. Body language you cannot act. If you have stuff, it is displayed through your face. Face is the index of the mind. So with these skills you can achieve that. And one more thing, actually earlier I briefed about fast track training. Fast track training we devise for the employed people. Employed people may have a lot of interest, but after working in the office and all that, they may not concentrate much on studies. If they concentrate forcefully also, it is not the quality time. That's why, however, those are different from students. Students, except theoretical knowledge, they may not have much. But if they are working in the industry, what happens? The maturity levels are different. Their attitude is different. That's why fast track training is suitable. Within the limited time, whatever they get, they can work on the workshop, and they feel this week I have completed this one. And during the week, whatever is the theory, suppose in the first weekend they have completed this one. Next weekend, whatever are required, whatever concepts they have to study for developing this one, they study. Otherwise, whatever concepts are missed here, they study and crystallize. Thereafter, they go for this. So at every weekend, they can spend on that, and they achieve identifiable result. That's why for fast track training, I don't advise this approach for students. Students, I am not discouraging, but you should not go away from the concepts. First you study concepts and concept oriented programs, thereafter you come to workshop. Don't find any shortcuts for your finishing program. Actually, finishing 120 days program, whatever you couldn't get within 4 years of your study, you are going to replenish here. So in this also, if you try to go for any shortcuts and all that, it is not good for you. You are missing. Already I told you, the strength of the chain depends on the weakest link. Whatever link is there, all links should be equally strong. Otherwise, one weak link is there, that is defined, the strength of the chain defined by that. That's why you feel entire finishing program as a chain and each element as a link in the chain and a equal strength you study and own it. So, I am not discouraging you. Don't ignore the concepts and formal study. Thereafter, if you come to workshops and all that, you also derive a lot of benefit. So, this is the revolutionary model, and every weekend or otherwise, whenever you have 2 days time, at the end of the 2 days, you you derive, you can achieve a tremendous, a wonderful result. Actually, it multiplies your energy and it acts like a driving force, and obviously you start enjoying, you obviously get time. Once you get time, you can utilize that, you can finish this program, understand. Thereafter, you yourself can get, find many domains like this. You everywhere around you, you can find project. If you go to hotel, you want to develop a project, software project for hotel management. If you go to college, you want to develop that. Everywhere you go, you find software programs. So you can, simple logic. And if you have command over language, and if you know the technique of this, you can develop on your own. You will become a professional. You can enjoy. At the same time, it gives you a career and a living.